Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
The US dollar index climbed above 97 to a weekly high of 97.67 on Monday after President Trump confirmed new tariffs would take effect the 1st of August. Despite recent lows due to rate cut expectations and fiscal concerns, stronger than expected US jobs data, 147,000 new jobs in June eased recession fears and supported the dollar, showing resilience amid global trade uncertainty. WTI crude opened with a sharp gap down on Monday, hitting a low of $64.7 before rebounding above $66.9. Prices dropped over 1% as OPEC Plus announced a faster production hike up 548,000 barrels per day in August. While oversupply fears grow, tight physical markets and shifting trade policies are keeping volatility high, with short-term moves driven by sentiment and longer-term by supply-demand balance. Spot gold traded near $3,337 per ounce on Monday, dipping briefly to $3,305. Uncertainty surged after the US finalised new global tariff notifications, adding to investor concerns. Meanwhile, a lack of progress on US fiscal reform supports gold's long-term outlook. With the dollar weakening for a second straight week, gold remains attractive to overseas buyers despite sluggish demand in key Asian markets. The yen weakened to 146 per dollar on Monday, reversing previous gains as disappointing wage data dimmed hopes for further Bank of Japan rate hikes. May's nominal wages rose only 1%, well below the 2.4% forecast. Real wages fell 2.9%, the sharpest drop in nearly 2 years. Meanwhile, geopolitical risks added pressure as Japan signalled resistance in trade talks with the US. The euro hovered near 1.17 as markets awaited clarity on upcoming US tariff moves. President Trump is expected to issue formal trade letters soon, though it's unclear if EU nations are included. Meanwhile, the rollout of broader tariffs has been delayed to the 1st of August, extending uncertainty. On the monetary front, the ECB is expected to pause rate cuts this month.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.